So let's take the fourth question. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Okay, yes, very simple. Let us start the answer solution. So as I look into the left hand side, this which idea comes to my mind? Tan of x plus y comes to my mind for the numerator. Tan of x minus y comes to the denominator. So what we will do in the side, let us write and keep the formulas. What is tan of x plus y? So tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. And same thing I can use for tan x minus y with the opposite sign. Okay, so let us start with the left hand side. We have to reach the right hand side. So tan x plus y. So in place of x now I have pi by 4. In place of y I have x. Okay, so in place of x I have pi by 4, in place of y I have x. So just observe this formula and substitute. So therefore you will get tan pi by 4 plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. This is just the numerator I've finished. Whole divided by denominator tan x minus y formula. So it is tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, what is tan pi by 4 value? Pi by 4 means how much? 45. How much is tan 45? 1. Okay, so wherever I can see tan pi by 4, I will write 1. So therefore this implies, so tan pi by 4, my answer is 1 plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus, this is 1 into tan x will become tan x whole divided by, for the denominator's answer, 1 minus tan x whole divided by 1 plus tan x. So now this is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into, what will happen whenever we have a fraction, we write it's multiplied by the reciprocal. So we have 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Done. So therefore this is equal to 1 plus tan x the whole square by 1 minus tan x the whole square. So which I can write 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square as my answer, and that is the right hand side. So question number 5. Prove that sine n plus 1 into x into sine n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x. We have to prove this is equal to cos x. So the left hand side, so answer, the left hand side is of the form. So I can see here, okay, whenever it is plus x plus y or y plus x means the same. So I can read from here cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, so we can write LHS is of the form, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, which is equal to cos of x minus y. Okay, this first form I need to understand. What is x? We will write. Who is there in the place of x? N plus 1 into x. Who is there in the place of y? n plus 2 into x. So just to substitute. So therefore that is equal to LHS is cos. I have to write cos. In place of x, write what is n plus x. That is x, that is n plus 1 into x, minus in place of y write n plus 2 into x. Now what should I do? Open the bracket carefully. So it is cos of nx plus 1 into x is x. Be careful here, minus sign is there. So this is nothing but actually nx plus 2x. Those are not able to understand, first write like this, then open the bracket if you're getting confused. Okay, so minus nx minus 2x. So what has happened inside the bracket? Nx gets cancelled, plus and minus sign. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So I'm getting cos of minus x. So whenever minus is there, remember in the fourth quadrant, minus can be written as 0 minus x. So it goes to the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So therefore, I'm getting the sign plus. So this could be written as cos of 0 minus x. Those of you can't remember. Otherwise, you have to remember like this. Cos of minus theta is always equal to cos theta. Okay, sign of minus theta is minus sin theta because fourth quadrant sign is negative. And 0 lies on the slipping line, no change to cofunction. So therefore, we are getting cos x answer. And that is our right hand side. Sixth question, cos of cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. I have to prove that this is equal to minus root 2 into sine x. Okay, so we have this trick here. As I look into the left hand side, c minus c is equal to minus 2 ss. So my left hand side according to my logic will become minus 2. S stands for sine. First what I have to do, add and divide by 2. So when I add, be little careful. So 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x whole divided by 2. So I finished 2s, one more s. So sine. Now what I have to do? I have to subtract. So 3 pi by 4 plus x minus, so minus of this term. So therefore that will become minus 3 pi by 4 minus of minus x will become plus x whole divided by 2. So that is minus 2 ss. So now therefore that is equal to minus 2 sine. So what has happened here? X and x gets cancelled. So this will become 2 times 3 pi by 4 by 2. So I will write all the steps such that you understand. Sine. Now here what has happened? 3 pi by 4 has got cancelled. X plus x is equal to 2x divided by 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. So therefore this is equal to minus 2 sine. How much is 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 how much? Pi by 4 means 45. 45 into 3 how much? 135. 3 pi by 2 is 270. 3 pi by 4 is 135. It is 45. Pi by 4 means 45. 45 into 3, 90, 135 into sine x. Now, I know the allied angle concept of sine 135. So let me work it out in the side. Sine 135 degree can be written as sine of 180 minus 45. Okay, 180 minus 45. 180 minus means which quadrant? In the second quadrant. 180 minus lying in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, is the sign positive? Yes, so answer is plus. And then 180 lies on the slipping line, no change to cofunction. So therefore write sine 45 as it is. How much is sine 45? Sine 45 value, how much? 1 by root 2. Yes. So write that now. So therefore this is equal to minus 2 into 1 by root 2. I have written in the side and I'm writing the value directly. Okay. Otherwise here only it will become scribbling. No. So just work it out in the side and write neatly in the answer. So into sin x. Now can I write 2 as root 2 into root 2? That is my next step. So therefore minus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2 and sin x. So one of the root 2's get cancelled. So therefore it is equal to minus root 2 sin x as my final answer, and this is the right hand side. So question number 7. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So LHS, let us keep this 2 sin 4x as it is. Okay. So 2 sin 4x let us keep as it is. That doesn't look that easy for me to combine. So I will be combining the first and the third. So first let us write them together. Sin 2x plus sin 6x. Now when I group these two together, it reminds me of the idea s plus s. What is s plus s? It is 2sc. Okay. So therefore 2 sin 4x, keep it as it is, plus s plus s is 2, right? 2 sin. First what I have to do? Add 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into c stands for cos 2x minus 6x whole divided by 2. So therefore that is equal to 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So you're getting sin 4x cos. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2x. Minus 2x. But I know cos of minus 2x is equal to cos 2x, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So I'm writing cos 2x. Now, what idea comes to my mind here? So I can see that 2 sin 4x is common among the two terms. Take it out. So 2 sin 4x, take out. What is inside the bracket? From this 2 sin 4x has gone out. So therefore 1 remained, plus 2 sin 4x has gone out, cos 2x remained. Okay. So now we know one cos 2x formula. Which is the formula in terms of, so look at here what you want. You want cos square in the answer. So which is cos 2x formula in terms of cos? What is cos 2x formula in terms of cos? You get 2 cos square x minus 1. So substitute in place of cos 2x. So what is that? I have to write plus 2 cos square x minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So therefore you are left out with 2 sin 4x, inside the bracket 2 cos square x. Multiply, you will reach the answer. 2 into 2, 4 cos square x into sin 4x. This is my answer which I want in the right hand side.